everyone, it's Jen Bucci from Home Pro Match. Do you deal with clogged or leaky gutters? These common gutter issues could lead to further damage to your home. To avoid these issues, consider installing gutter guards. Why are gutter guards so beneficial? Here are 4 reasons why. Reason number 1, gutter guards block out unwanted debris. From heavy windstorms to changing seasons, our gutters can easily become clogged by tree branches, leaves, and other outdoor debris. Cleaning out your gutters regularly is one solution, but it can cause damage if not done correctly. It can also lead to serious injury. The fully enclosed design of a gutter guard system prevents this debris from entering in the first place, keeping your gutters clog-free. Reason number 2, gutter guards help prevent water damage caused by pooling water. If your gutter system isn't working properly, it could be causing more harm than good when it rains. Poor gutter systems that leak when it rains can cause pooling water around your home. This pooling water often leads to basement and foundation water damage. A properly installed gutter guard and downspout system will help prevent pooling water and ensure that any rainwater is drained and directed away from your home and foundation. Reason number 3, gutter guards save you time and money on maintenance. An aging gutter system that is constantly clogged with debris will wear out faster than a low-maintenance gutter guard system. Everyday wear and tear is normal, but you can be saving time and money on a better, more durable system. Gutter guards won't clog or sag from debris and are built to stand up to high winds and heavy rainfall. Reason number 4, gutter guards prevent unwanted pests such as birds and rodents from living in your gutters. Open, debris-filled gutters are the perfect place for pests to nest in. With an enclosed design, gutter guards prevent birds and rodents from living in your gutters. If you're looking to install a gutter guard system, our experts are here to help. Visit homepromatch.com today to find your local gutter company. Thanks for watching.